Hello guys, in this video we are gonna see Patong Beach. Patong Beach is located in west coast of Phuket Island by facing the Andaman Sea of the southwest Thailand. Patong Beach is most popular beach in Phuket Island in tourist destination. The beach full stretch of restaurants, cafes, bars and many other shops. Patong Beach is well known for its nightlife. You can find hundreds of bars, dance clubs, massaging place, and many others. The Patong Beach is around 3 kilometers long white sand beach. Water is very clear and bluish which attracts tourists and plenty of palm trees offer shade. Other major tourist attractions here is water sports activity. The entire place, you would see the water sport activities. Mainly, you would see banana boat, water skiing, wakeboarding, kayaking, windsurfing and so on. Patong Beach is strategic and happening places. Always, this place is crowded with tourists. Overall, you may need 2 hours to roam around this place. Hope you like the video and the information is provided here. Kindly do like, share, comment and subscribe for more good videos.